GMT really rose 36.35% in 7 days, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bull control GMT's extremely current cost activities, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is drifting at $346,717,663 in a genuinely significant manner. Current STEPN cost basically is $0.2907 November 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through STEPN sort of is GMT a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely further appearance how GMT really rose 36.35% in 7 days, which in a real sense is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the GMT specialized examination, let us for the most part discuss the truly current economic situations, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,325,730,169,204 in an especially significant manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $41,562,812,633, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there most certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, showing how current STEPN cost certainly is $0.2907 November 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually explicitly got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what truly is somewhat transient cost expectation for STEPN, sort of is GMT a fundamentally wise speculation, which generally is genuinely huge. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which really is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, basically is up by 2.1 and at present exchanging at 69 cents, or so they thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of large way. These occasions sort of show that the market for the most part is going in an every practical sense, descending course for present moment, which sort of is genuinely huge. Right now, a kind of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they fundamentally thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of additional in every practical sense, dynamic and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which truly shows that yet prior to jumping profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations. Which sort of is very critical. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants by and large move really dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically is genuinely critical. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, basically is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week in a really significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while all things considered, complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. There especially are very nearly 1,104,192,453 explicitly are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Examination for 07 November 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath in a genuinely huge manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving most certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to by and large examine the future development of the STEPN. Sort of additional appearance how stepn value investigation GMT cost examination for 07 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of beneath, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. The extremely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin in a real sense is close oversold zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 37. Certainly further appearance how GMT truly rose 36.35% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. While GMT's Williams percent R pointer basically is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign certainly is really conceivable at this reach, which basically shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. The MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how as of now, a really broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. STEPN financial backers need to truly hang tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day diagram. Certainly further appearance how stepn financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day graph in an unpretentious manner in fact. The STEPN in a real sense has generally break all its in a real sense, upholds levels, and things for the most part are not searching all things considered, great for the crypto market. Which truly shows that stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they basically thought. At present, by and large bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take GMT cost underneath the critical help level of 54 cents, which for the most part shows that current STEPN cost certainly is $0.29 07 November 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through STEPN cost